In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process QuickBooks direct deposit payroll. We're going to record a direct deposit payroll in QuickBooks Online so your books reflect the payroll debit that hits your bank. This process keeps your expenses organized and makes reconciliation much smoother. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to your company. From the left menu, head to Expenses. This brings you to your transactions list and gives you access to create a new expense. Open a new expense form so we can document the payroll funding that will clear your bank. At the top of the form, choose the payee. Select the appropriate employee, a generic payroll payee, or your payroll provider. Whatever your workflow uses, the key is to be consistent and avoid including any sensitive details in the name. Next, choose the payment account. Pick the same bank account that funds your direct deposit. The example might show a cash account, but for most companies, this will be your checking account or a dedicated payroll clearing account. Selecting the correct account ensures the bank withdrawal and your expense line up for reconciliation. Now move to the category details section. Click into the category field and start typing to search. Select payroll expenses when it appears. This routes the transaction to the right place on your profit and loss. If you track wages, taxes, and fees separately, your chart of accounts may have sub-accounts. For this walkthrough, we'll use the main payroll expenses category as shown. Enter the amount and add a clear description or memo. A helpful format is something like direct deposit payroll for pay period or pay date, without adding any private information. Accurate wording will make it easier to identify later and to answer questions during month end. If you run similar payrolls often, use the copy option to duplicate this expense. Copying lets you keep the structure, payee, payment account, and category, and simply update the date and amount for the next payroll, saving time and reducing errors. Before you wrap up, take a quick moment to review. Confirm the payee, verify the bank account, make sure payroll expenses is selected, and double-check the total and memo. Small checks now prevent bigger cleanups later. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. Your direct deposit payroll is now recorded as an expense and ready to match against the bank withdrawal when it appears in your bank feed. Thanks for watching. If this helped, consider keeping a simple checklist of your payroll entry details so every run is consistent and easy to reconcile.